Hello guys, in this video I will explain the truth behind getting Patreon content for free. So, first and foremost, accessing paid Patreon content without permission is against terms of service and considered piracy. So, we do not support or encourage any illegal method. The only legit way is to access exclusive content is by supporting the creator through a membership tier. The prices vary depending on what the creator offers. Some creator offers free public posts or early previews. You can access this by visiting their Patreon page without paying. And then you can do this alternatively. Many creators cross-post free content on platforms like YouTube, Ko-Fi, or Discord. Check their social links or bio for additional freebies. Lastly, some creators offer limited time trials or discounted tiers, so watch out for those if you want to access more content legally and affordably. Support creators legally because it helps them continue producing the content that you love. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.